What's the meaning of capricious? Capricious. Capricious.
Capricious. Capricious. The term capricious is used to describe a person or thing that behaves in an unpredictable or whimsical manner, often changing their mind frequently without any apparent reason or explanation. This can lead to instability or inconsistency in decision-making or behavior. Capriciousness can be seen in individuals, organizations, and even natural phenomena such as weather patterns. Such behavior can be frustrating and difficult to understand, making it challenging to predict outcomes or rely on the person or entity in question. Overall, capricious typically connotes a sense of unpredictability and changeability.